once you log into TIBCO Cloud integration and choose your environment, you will see this unified app list view along with the top level application dashboard. As you can see, I have 4 applications running in this particular TCI environment. And you can monitor all these applications on the same app list view. Before I get into details of hybrid agent, let me quickly walk you through the monitoring capabilities that we introduced in the May release of TIBCO Cloud integration. So on the application dashboard on the left-hand side, you can see count of all applications. You can also see them by their status. In the middle, you can see the number of applications by their type, and we've used these icons consistently everywhere to indicate the category of application. For example, this Flynn bird icon is for logo application. This logo is particularly for BusinessWorks application. So you'll see that this is the convention that is being used consistently across TIBCO Cloud integration. So in the middle, you can see the total number of applications by their type. You can also see the number of instances that are running per application type. Then you can see the number of executions that happened over last 24 hours per application type. On the right hand side, in the top execution view, you can see the top 5 applications that have been executing the most number of integration flows. If you want, you can choose to hide this dashboard. So let me go ahead and do that and show you the app pick view. In order to access the app pick view, I just need to collapse it by clicking on this option. This will open the app pick view. Here you can take a quick look at your application and understand how it is performing and behaving. So you can see the total number of over last 24 hours for this particular order API application. You can also see the CPU and memory utilization for this application. Now, if you want to dig deeper and see more details, you can click on this option, view app details. This will open the app details page, and you will be able to access the monitoring view as well as other views to see the application details. So let me go to the monitoring tab on the app details view. This is more detailed metrics for your application. This is a Flogo application. So for a Flogo application, you would see triggers, flows, and resource metrics tabs. On the left-hand side, if you have more than one instances running, you'll see a drop down of all the instances. You can choose a specific instance. Then in the triggers view, you can choose a specific triggers, and you'll be able to see trigger execution count. This indicates the number of events or requests that have been received. Then on the flows view, you can see list of all the flows in your application. On the left-hand side, you can choose a specific flow and see more detailed information and metrics regarding flow execution. So you can see flow instances count. This indicates the number of times this flow has been executed. You can see the flow execution time, average, maximum, and minimum flow execution time for this particular flow. And similar details you will be able to see below at activity level for each of the activity that's part of this particular flow. On the resource metrics tab, you'll be able to see the CPU and memory utilization for this particular instance. You'll also able to see the time-based visualization for a particular period of time for the CPU and memory utilization. So these are the advanced monitoring capabilities that we added in the May release. Now let me show you how you can use the same monitoring capabilities to monitor applications that are running in a Kubernetes cluster outside of TIBCO Cloud. In order to do that, you'll need to download the new hybrid monitoring agent. So you'll need to go to Environment and Tools tab, then go to Agents tab. This is where you'll see a list of all the agents, and you can click on this particular option to create a new agent. Before that, on the left-hand side, you can filter the agents by their type. This is TIBCO Connect agent, and you can select hybrid filter to filter the hybrid agents. If you want to create a new hybrid agent, you can just click on this button, select hybrid, choose your platform, and depending upon which platform you choose, the specific binary for hybrid agent will be downloaded. You can also choose to containerize this hybrid agent and run it in the same container platform where your BusinessWorks and Flogo applications are running, so that you can start monitoring those applications. So let me show you how I've deployed this agent in a Kubernetes cluster. I've created a Kubernetes cluster using Azure Kubernetes Service. And here you can see that I've already deployed this TCI demo AKS agent. This is the hybrid agent that I've configured and deployed in this Kubernetes cluster. Once I deployed it in a Kubernetes cluster, it got automatically registered, and you can see the status that this agent is running. Going back to the Kubernetes cluster, here I've also deployed the customer API and loyalty API application. Customer API is the BusinessWorks application. Loyalty API is the Flogo application. These applications, when they were starting up, they were registered with the hybrid agent. Once you've done that, you will be able to use the same application monitoring capabilities in TCI. So I'm back on the app list view, and here you can see the loyalty API and customer API are also there. We have added this new column which indicates the deployment for your application. So here in this case, order API is running on TIBCO Cloud, and loyalty API and customer API, they are hybrid deployments. We've also added this new filter here. If you want to filter your remote applications, you can select hybrid and you'll see all the hybrid applications. On the top level dashboard, if you notice, these applications are also, all the stats from these applications are aggregated on the app, top level app dashboard. Similarly, you can also see the app pick view for applications, the remote applications. Exact same view you will have for the remote applications. Then you can click on the application or click on view app details option to see more detailed metrics on the monitoring tab for this particular application. Since this is a BusinessWorks application, it has a processes tab to show more details about BusinessWorks process execution. And you have a similar resource metrics tab here. If you notice on the top, this particular application is not owned by any user. This is owned by a hybrid agent, TCI demo AKS, and there is also a hybrid tag here. Similarly, I can go to the loyalty API, which is also running on a Kubernetes cluster outside of TIBCO Cloud, and you will have exact same view as any other Flogo application that's running on TIBCO Cloud. So this is how you can have a single pane of glass for monitoring all of your applications across hybrid cloud deployments.